Locals of Jiribam district decried over the concerned department's failure in completing the construction work of a public guest house at Chandrapur, Jiribam and another bus terminus office at Lakhipur. As per report, a large amount of money was already spent for the construction work. The death toll for Japanese encephalitis has increased to 101, according to latest reports. Based on data from the Health Department, 439 people have been affected by the disease. As per district-wise death reports, Dibrugarh, Kamrup, Lakhimpur and Jorat recorded the highest number of mortality rates so far. More than 4,000 villages have been affected by floods in Assam so far. Major roads into the out of the state are blocked, making relief efforts particularly challenging, and over 5.2 million people have been directly affected, including 1.72 million children. As per the latest floods report from the State Disaster Management Authority, 30 of the 33 districts are severely affected due to the river embankments breached in the number of areas. 12 Rohingya refugees, including 5 children and 2 women, who tried to enter India from Bangladesh, have refused to leave the zero line along the India-Bangladesh border in Tripura for the past 3 days. BSF officials said the 12 Rohingyas tried to enter India from Bangladesh through the Boxainagar border in western Tripura on Thursday, but they were stopped by BSF troopers. 4-time Asian medalist 25-year-old Siva Thapa created history by bagging India's first gold at the 7th Republic of Kazakhstan President's Cup 2019 boxing tournament after getting a walkover in the final held in Astana, Kazakhstan yesterday. Thapa from Guwahati, Assam, won the gold in the newly introduced Olympic category of 63 kg.